Okay, so welcome back. We now have our completed assembly drawing, and to start to make this look more realistic, we want to assign materials to these parts there. So let's have a go at it. If we go to the top, we've got this appearance tool here. So I'm going to click on my sort of rainbow wheel, and it's going to bring in a range of materials that we could use. So I know the desk tidy's made of pine. I'm not sure if we have a pine material in here. We'll have a look, but I don't think we do. So at the top we've got a birch, which is a nice light timber. So if I select a part and go to the birch and right click and assign to selection, it's going to put the part in as a birch part. So you just right click, select the part, right click and assign to selection, and right click, select that, right click, assign to selection, select that part there, right, and assign to selection. So it's giving it all a timber finish, and obviously this is acrylic, this part here, so I'm going to select this part here and look for a nice colour that would go well with it. So we could go for a dark red, right click and apply to selection. So we now have an acrylic back, but there's a see-through dark red. So let's just select that and see if we could go for a slightly better colour. Let's go for the magenta. That's lovely, assign to selection, and we now have a magenta acrylic part. So we've made it look more realistic, and feel free to play around with different finishes and see what you prefer the look of, which is quite good fun. Now finally what we can do is we could send this to become a JPEG. You could just do a print screen, but the best way of doing it is File, Export to an image file, which is JPEG. I'm going to change it to a JPEG there. Now one thing that's quite important here is you go to options and just change your pixels. I'll go for maybe 2400 by 2400, because what it does is give you a much better picture, and it won't be fuzzy if you were to come to print it off. And I'm going to put desk tidy parts, and it's called assembly JPEG, and save it. And if I go into my folder with all my parts in it, which is documents, it's now saved in there as an assembly drawing. You notice it's also got the side part as mirrored, and I go to assembly, and that is just there. So there we have it. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it.